Spruce up your lawn or garden, you may want to do it before it gets really hot. And today we are showing off some fun inventions to help you with everything from hanging your plants to picking up all those leaves.
The founder of Earmark Sourcing and the president of the United Inventors Association, Carmine Denisco, is joining us now. Thank you so much for being here.
Well, I love it. So much fun.
We always love it when you join us here. So many cool things here. Let's start with hanging plants. Tell us, what does this do?
The Insta Hanger is such a great little product. You would never think that it's hard to hang a plant, right? So this makes it so easy. All different size pots. You just pick it up, you slide it on, and it's done. You just hang it. It comes with everything you need. Really, really cool little product.
And you can adjust, I'm guessing, like the length and everything. And I love how it has the really thin hook, because sometimes the hanging plants come with the thick hooks, and they don't really hang on what you've got there. That makes it a lot easier.
Yes, totally adjustable, and it's really strong. Because it's a steel cable, so it's awesome. It really works great.
All right, we have to talk about these.
Yes, our eyes went right to that.
Because this is amazing. You know, as you get older, you know how important it is to shield yourself from the sun.
Yes.
But sometimes these hats get so hot because your head can't breathe.
Yes.
This is genius.
Cool breeze solar hats, and it really works. I was testing it out, running around my parking lot. People thought I was crazy out there, and it worked really well. It was a lot of fun.
So we have this is a solar plate on the top?
Solar panel, and it works as soon as you step outside, doesn't need batteries, and it really works well. They have tons of different styles and colors.
And they come with these lovely fashionable scarves as well. You can choose. And
this is brilliant.
Not just for gardening.
I love it.
Take it to the beach, take it to kids' games.
Baseball games.
Not just for gardening. You're exactly right.
Okay.
I love it.
Now this is pretty cool. You know, if you have those big oak trees and you get piles of leaves in your yard, you're just constantly breaking your back. This makes it easier.
Correct. Yes. The Rake Mate, great little product, some really strong rubber, and what it does is, and this is a little demonstration version, it connects two rakes together, and you can use it to scoop up the leaves and put them where you want to put them.
Like tongs for leaves.
It really works great. This booth was packed all day, and it makes a lot of sense.
Okay, so if you're scooping up the leaves and then you're putting them in these buckets, these big buckets, they usually come with one handle, but this gives you the alternative for two handles. So smart. Every time you come in here, I say, why didn't I think of this?
Hence, the bucket grips.
That's what it says.
So cool. They hook onto your bucket. You can turn it into, like you said, a great little thing to carry, because, you know, those handles are very thin and they hurt your hand. So these bucket grips really are strong. They work great. Another product that was very popular at the show.
So you don't have to just give it a big hug and try to carry it from one place to the other.
They're always so heavy. But you didn't actually teach us how to have more of a green thumb, though. So do we have any tricks for that? Like any special
magic powder?
Call somebody that knows, because I have no idea.
we share a history of killing plants.
Yeah, I've got some things that are fried in my lawn right now. Yeah, it's just too hot.
No luck.
Yeah.
People don't want me touching anything green. It's dead the next day.
Well, maybe with one of these hats keeping us cool, we can spend more time outside.
You can look cool. You know,
cultivating our plants.
I'm going to try this.
You know,
it looks good. It matches.
I always say if you look the part, that's most important.
I think so.
Yeah,
I think you got
this. Covers everything.
This looks really good.
I could actually invite people underneath my shade here. It's great.
Gathering like an umbrella.
Yeah. Thank you.
Carmine, thank you so much.
Love it. Thank you.
I'm getting one of those hats.